Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can include and exclude filtered data in Google Sheets functions. If you're struggling with functions in Google Sheets not working properly with filtered data, whether you're trying to include or exclude filter rows, I've got you covered in this quick and clear guide. Let's solve it now. So here's the issue. You apply a filter in Google Sheets, but your functions like sum, average, count still calculate all data, not just of the visible rows. So how do you fix it? So to include only visible rows in your function, you can use the subtotal functions. For example, you can here, let's say, you can use this function subtotal, and here let's say 109 to until A100, say like this. So you can use this function for sum. So the first number is the function code. This one is for sum, and the 103 can also use 103 for counter, and or 101 for average. So the first number, this one in here, it will ignore hidden rows created by filters. And what if you want to do something custom like sum or count only visible rows with conditions? Try this formula using filter and subtotal together. So in here you can just use this function like this. You can use these functions. Yes, it looks complex, but it's powerful, and this ensures only visible rows are calculated even with custom conditions. And that's all. If this solved your issue, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials. Bye.